everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, we are in Myrtle Beach, and we've got a very special guest. This is kind of a series I'm doing of some of the sickest fox bodies in the country, and I got one right here. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Tony Frank's 86. Tony, what is up, dude?
What's going on?
This car is absolutely insane, and trust me when I say, when he fires it up, what you're going to hear, it wakes the dead. But in the meantime, let's go ahead and check this bad boy out. All right, so Tony, real quick, just kind of walk us through what's the deal with the car and what's the what.
So it's 85 GT, 22,000 original mile car, Dart 363 Prestige Motorsports built engine, backed by an Astro Performance A5 transmission, and a built 8.8 rear end.
All right, guys, so we got to do a little ride along in this bad boy. Like I said, fully built 363. It is just chopping, just pounding the pavement. One-handed cage handling. Man, dude, I love the dash.
Yeah, it's Florida 5.0.
Very nice. Very nice. MSD down there. You see, you've got the Pro Comp clock.
Yeah.
That is epic. The
Yeah,
original radio.
Needed something to fill that 2 5/8 spot, so I had everything else up here.
You said it's a 21,000 mile car?
22,000 original mile car, and I've got 205 miles on the build.
Wow. You just kind of went nuts with it.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Oh yeah, let's do this. Bless. You said it made how much on the engine dyno?
About 525.
525. So it's easy 470, 480 at the wheels.
Yeah, right around there. I haven't had it dynoed yet, but I plan to when I get back to Arizona.
That's crazy. I guarantee every time you start it, someone like sends you death wishes.
I'm sure.
It just pounds. It is unreal. Little stroll through the island. So Tony, like, what were your goals for the build? Like, autocross or just fun street car?
Yeah, so actually when I first started building the car, the plan was just a 5-lug conversion, Cobra swap, and a full suspension by Maximum Motorsports.
Nice.
So once I dug into it, I figured I'm this far into it, I might as well go all out, shave the bay, wire tug, Dart 363. So, but yeah, I mean, it's a road racing inspired build.
Right.
The Maximum Motorsports suspension is fantastic.
Yes, sir.
Love it.
I swear to you, there's literally zero opportunity for any traction. I don't care what tire you put on this freaking car, there's zero opportunity for any traction.
Yeah.
This thing is, but it's planted though. That's what's so crazy.
Yeah, that's the great thing about this suspension is
there you have it, guys. Super ridiculous 4i. I've been wanting to do this forever. Tony came all the way from Arizona to Myrtle Beach. You actually won a kit from JLT for a long haul.
Yeah, so JLT hooked me up with a nice cooler, and they had some goodies in there. Also, Croft Gates is doing a little giveaway for the longest travel.
Nice,
I'm not sure if I won that one, but we'll see.
Nice. Yeah, as if she could get any more shiny. I mean, really.
Yeah.
But anyway, Tony, super appreciate the opportunity, and we're gonna hang out all week.
Absolutely.
And representing that Fox though, and especially the 4i. You know, there's so few of these cars, you know, that are out there and built right, and this one is 100% legit. I love it. All right, guys, so that is what I've got for you today. Huge thanks again to Tony Frank for doing this video. The car is ridiculous, and I've got a lot more of these coming, so stay tuned to the channel. And in the meantime, if you like this wicked 4i Fox, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and catch up with you next time. Later.